Good morning, friends. Today is the Serene Post packing day, the July edition. So I thought I'd bring you along with me. It's morning. I'm having my morning coffee out on the back deck with my Cooper. Normally I sit on my front deck in the mornings, but we have a lot of farm trucks going by right now, so it's really loud out there. But it's so pretty out here to listen to the birds and just start my day off nice and slow. So what do I have to do? I have about 90 envelopes to package up today, and I think that's amazing. I'm so excited. And I have art cards to print out. I have everything else printed, but I need to print the art cards, and then I need to get everything cut, and I need to stamp all the envelopes. I already have my labels printed, and yeah, then get everything folded up and tucked inside each envelope, and then they will be ready to go out the first week of July. So I'm going to be bringing you along with me and show you the process. One of the best things about working from home, which I've been doing for over 20 years now, is being able to have my fur babies in my room with me. So that was Cooper getting snuggled underneath his desk or underneath my desk. And I did get myself a new printer, an Epson Econo printer. So before I can start printing anything, I need to learn how to use this printer. And right now I'm just filling up the cartridges with the ink and hoping for the best. So it's filling up, it's working, and now I'm just going to get everything that I've already printed set up in the kitchen so I can get everything prepared for cutting and then sorting and packing inside the envelopes. If you're new here, you might be wondering, what the heck is the Serene Post? Well, it's my monthly happy mail. It's a carefully curated envelope that I have filled with cozy inspiration, some paper pieces for creativity and inspiration, and simple joys designed to bring you a quiet pause in a busy world. Oh, look, I got my printer working, so I tested it with a recipe. So now I'm ready to rock and roll. So here I am printing off my Serene moments. I was going through ink cartridges like crazy since I've started the Serene Post, and it was getting very costly. So I thought it was time to invest in a printer, and look at this, my hero art card. It turned out so well this month. I'm so proud of it. It was so much work. And this month I've decided to add some information about the art card and the theme of each month on the back of it. And here's my other fur babies, Rocky and Forrest, keeping me company in my office while I prepare all of the envelopes. Okay, some technical difficulties with the printer. It ended up taking me quite some time to get this working because I was learning. I didn't know which button did what. So all in all, it took me quite a few hours to get everything finished and printed today. Meanwhile, the Coop Mobile sound asleep, his little tongue sticking out. So I've got everything printed. Now it's time to cut and get everything ready to go inside the envelopes. So you may be wondering, well, what exactly is inside the Serene Post? Well, let me tell you, every month is a little different because I do like to surprise and delight, as many of you know, but you're always going to receive a personal letter from me, friend to a friend, a seasonal recipe right here from our kitchen, tried and true, and some pretty paper treasures, an art card, and thoughtfully designed pieces that you can use however you'd like. There are no rules. And what I am loving is how many of our members enjoy making handmade cards and journaling or scrapbooking with the papers and ephemera that come with the Serene Post. However, you certainly don't have to be a crafter to enjoy them. I have seen members use them for bookmarks and gift tags, tuck them into letters, or just simply keep them because they make them smile, which is pretty awesome. One of my favorite parts of the Serene Post and what it's become is our private community over on Ko-fi. I did not expect this when I started my Serene Post, and oh my lord, it's amazing. I am absolutely loving seeing how everyone uses their monthly goodies. And every month, we have members who share photos of their beautiful cards that they've created or the journal pages that they've decorated, and just all of the creative ways that they've made the pieces their own. So it's super encouraging and it's a very inspiring community to be a part of. I'll be honest, what has really been touching me the most have been the messages that I'm receiving. So many of you have been telling me how much you look forward to your Serene Post arriving every month, and that has become something special to watch for in the mailbox. And I know I've mentioned this, but Trina in Australia was almost on the verge of mugging her post person if they didn't deliver their Serene Post in a timely fashion. Anyways, we're having so much fun, and just knowing that something I've created brings a little happiness into someone's day, oh my goodness, it just truly means the world to me. And it makes every hour spent creating and printing and cutting and packing and mailing just so completely worthwhile. So, speaking of hours, what you've been seeing here is about 2 full days worth of printing, trimming, folding, and packaging for almost 100 envelopes. So, the designing actually begins weeks earlier, where I'm creating the artwork, the papers, and the ephemera for the digital download, the companion kit for members only, and everything that makes each month's edition unique. Once I have everything designed, then I write my letter and I record the private audio letter. Oh my gosh, this has become one of my favorite parts of the whole experience. And I must say, I love how the Serene Post has been growing and evolving every month, because originally I didn't even think about doing the audio letter, and then it just came to me, and it's just so much fun. And I know so many of you who are a part of the Serene Post feel like it's you and I sitting together at a little kitchen table, having a cup of tea or coffee, visiting with each other, which is exactly what I am feeling and thinking and imagining when I record that for you. I also love doing the audio letter because it's where I can share even extra stories and thoughts that don't quite fit into the written letter that's tucked inside your envelope. And the companion kit is something else that wasn't originally on my radar when I started doing the Serene Post and creating the Serene Post. But as I was learning how to create and design the pieces that go inside the envelope, I had all these extra images and designs that I thought, my goodness, these are going to be so much fun to fussy cut and use on my cards and journals and projects. And there was just no way I could keep that to myself. I had to share. So I'm like, oh, I'm including this in the Serene Post, and members do not have to pay extra for it. And it has just turned out to be yet another element of the Serene Post that so many of you have been enjoying, and myself included, because I'm right there with you as far as finding a quiet pause in a busy world and just sitting down and catching our breath and being creative. And oh my gosh, it's just so wonderful. The Serene Post envelopes have been called everything from a paper hug to an envelope of love. And to me, that is the greatest compliment because that is exactly what I wanted this to be all about when I created it, was keeping connections, building connections, nurturing the connections, the relationships, the care, the thoughtfulness, and just reaching out to each other and letting each other know that somebody cares and somebody wants to send you a little love and make a difference in your world, no matter what's going on. And yeah, this has become more than just an envelope with pretty things. This is definitely about connection and friendships. Now that I have all the contents ready to go inside the envelopes, it's time to stamp the envelopes. So I ordered a special Serene Post stamp and then a return address stamp, which I may be changing that one out because it's a little hard to read. But I have been having a lot of fun working on my Serene Post brand and logos, and I'm just having the best time with this. And I am now rubber stamping, of course, on my envelopes and decorating my envelopes. If you've known me for any length of time, you know I love stamping envelopes. I never send a naked envelope. That's just wrong. And so because the theme for July was summer nights at home, summer nights at home. And one of the things I forgot to mention in this month's letter was fireflies. We love sitting outside in the evening around the campfire or in our gazebo and seeing fireflies. They're so neat. So I did make sure I stamped some fireflies on the envelopes this month. Now, my friends, I am very excited to share that for the very first time, I'm also making back issues of the Serene Post available. So if you've missed a previous edition or you'd simply like to enjoy July's envelope, you can purchase individual envelopes while supplies last. So these are one-time purchases and they include everything that's tucked inside the envelope itself. The exclusive companion kit, the digital downloads, the exclusive videos, those are going to remain part of the recurring Serene Post membership. So there you are. That's a wrap for July. Let's get these envelopes on their way. I have all of the envelopes packaged, ready to go out in the mail. I'm so excited for you guys to get this. I have a little extra a little extra surprise in here for you. And I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this month's special edition, especially this special art card. And yeah, I'm excited to get these mailed off. So hopefully it arrives in your mailbox soon.